Hey, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I made money playing this game called Speedman, and I'm also going to be showing you how much I've made so far, things like that. Give you a little bit of a run through on how the game works. It's a bit simple. Anybody can do it, and if you also have played it before, and man, you can also share your story in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into the video, man. We're entering Speedman. We're entering Speedman. Yeah, this Speedman basically, as you can see, the amount is about 1,000 rand that we have able to make so far. And as you can see, people are withdrawing successfully, withdrawing cash, is showing messages on top, as you can see there. And yeah, man, you play the game, you can make money through inviting people, doing tasks, collective activities. You understand me? There's a piggyback there also. You can also do referrals, things like that. So there's more than one way to make money. Then you play the game. And as soon as you play the game, you just play the game up until the end. As soon as you finish after like killing the boss, then that's when you're gonna receive your money. You keep playing the game, keep playing the game. The amount that you have is going to increase. Yeah, so understand this is not a quick get rich scheme. So you have to keep playing, and then that's when you're going to hit the threshold to be able to withdraw. You can withdraw once you hit the threshold.